Paul McCartney's son James has become the latest celebrity to fall victim to a fake online profiles scam, taking to Instagram on Tuesday to warn his fans. Sandra Bullock broke her silence the day before to express her deep concern for the safety of her family in light of a comparable plot, and the singer's admission that he had online identities claiming to be him came just one day after. As I'm sure many of you have seen or even already experienced some interaction with, there are a lot fake internet identities pretending to be me, my manager, or a business representative. James captioned a black and white photo of himself with this message. In some instances, these fake accounts are encouraging you to send money with a promise to set up a meet and greet, chat direct with James, or similar. Please know that I only post across my verified accounts and certainly don't offer any of the aforementioned. Remain vigilant and please do not communicate with any of these fake accounts or impersonators. The musician, who was born in 1977 to Paul and Linda McCartney, received a string of supportive messages in the comments section, as well as words from people who claim to have been contacted by the scammers. On the same day that hackers attempted to deceive social media users by disseminating fake nude photographs of her, BBC presenter Naga Munchetty expressed her deep frustrations. The 49-year-old broadcaster revealed that she had come across sponsored advertisements on platforms like X and Facebook that featured these obscene and misleading images. According to Munchetty, the fraudulent schemes aimed to scam people out of their hard-earned money. The perpetrators behind these fake news sites exploited the authority, honesty, and credibility of well-known figures to entice unsuspecting investors into the volatile Bitcoin market. In a candid discussion with BBC News, Munchetty shared her feelings of shock and confusion regarding the situation. She pondered the motivations behind such actions, questioning who would be willing to pay for the dissemination of such blatant falsehoods. She wondered if it stemmed from a malicious intent or perhaps a personal vendetta against her. After bringing the issue to the attention of her 5 Live production team, they began to investigate further. It quickly became apparent that con artists were leveraging her likeness and identity in their attempts to defraud individuals. Munchetty described some of the sponsored ads as featuring crudely mocked-up images that depicted her in a compromising manner, with her face poorly superimposed onto another person's body. She also noted that the fake articles claimed she had unwittingly participated in a scandalous interview, unaware that the camera was still rolling. During her segment on BBC 5 Live, Munchetty spoke with wildlife broadcaster Chris Packham, who revealed that he had encountered a similar experience on the social media platform Blue Sky. Together, they shed light on the alarming trend of identity theft and online scams that continue to plague social media users.